Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part number 22 from our advanced flat parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. And now today's shape, once again, is going to be a continuation on altering of another intermediate shape. In our case, it's going to be the shape that looked a bit like an L. But the exception of this shape is we're going to be adding some chamfering to the bottom left corner. So if we go flat parts, we open that. And then what we want to do is go to P22. Now if I zoom in here on a little sample, you guys will notice there's 5 different options we can set now. So we've got the height and the width, or pretty much you can say the height of the first rectangle, the width of the second rectangle. Then we've got over here on top, we've got the width of the first rectangle, and then we've got the height of the second rectangle. So we've got the A, B, C, and D. And then lastly, we've got the chamfering, which is here at the bottom on E, so the bottom left corner. So let's fill in a quick few details here just to see how that works. So I'm going to make this one 200. Let's make the bottom one larger, 400 perhaps. Then C, so the width of the first one. I'm going to go this one about 50, and then the bottom one, I'm going to make this one maybe 100. So it's going to be not quite an L shape. I'm going to separate from it a bit. Now with our actual chamfering, I'm going to go about 50 just to see what that looks like. And then let's say OK and then preview that. Here we go. We've got an odd little shape there. It's by no means an L shape, but just to show you that you can vary up the sizes quite drastically. You can make this one even a little corner here. So obviously this will depend on your product you're looking for, and the measurements will be according to that. Well, yeah, let's go manual quantity 1. I'm going to say add, and then we add this to our actual design sheet. And throw in the top corner here just to take up less space. But yeah, so that is it on P22, or part number 22. Like I say, it's kind of an advanced version of the original L shape. Otherwise, we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. And if you do not find the videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.